Hello everyone, welcome to the village of words. The word relation for this video is private, no feedback. I believe Schizophrenia is a private audio channel. No one else other than the schizophrenic hears it. But when schizophrenia speaks privately, I will not straight away consciously believe it is a private conversation. Of course, I will think it is a public sound. But it doesn't change the fact of my belief that schizophrenia is a private channel. My paranoia says everyone else is just pretending not to hear schizophrenia's words. My paranoia believes schizophrenia's words are audible to everyone. But I disbelieve that paranoia by simple logic. If people are not giving any feedback or reacting to weird words, obviously those words are being said in private. Or would you rather say what is said in public have no or less feedback? But that will be crazy, of course. It is words spoken in private that has no or less feedback. My schizophrenia not only cannot explain anything, but it wants me to believe some rabbit hole nonsense as to why people actually hears schizophrenia but pretends not to. This is absolutely crazy. And I will not be at fault for following logical rationale. Private things has no feedback because it is not heard, while what is said in the public has feedback. It is simple logic and comparison. Besides that, I also hear music sounds in the internet music talking to me. A few years before, there was no words coming from the instrumental music. Then I can somehow hear words from the instrumental music. At first, I suspected schizophrenia had somehow changed the sounds from the original instrumental music. Then schizophrenia had edited it to somehow make the instrumental music talk. Presently, I believe the sound did not change at all. I am the one who is hearing extra things from the music. It is similar to the concept of schizophrenia itself. I hear voices, I hear schizophrenia pretending to be my family. But those sounds are a mimic coming from a private channel. Only I can hear it. And my reasoning is simply because I had watched a video in YouTube with music sounds, and the music talks to me. Yet, there are no relatable comments in the YouTube chat. So, I conclude that schizophrenia sounds is a private channel. If no one is speaking about it, then it does not exist. You cannot blame me for this rationale. Something private has no or less feedback. Or do you think it is the opposite? Something said in public has no feedback. That will be insane, of course. Finally, I think schizophrenics are special. Because schizophrenics hear private things that no one else hears. Even the most richest people cannot hear schizophrenia's private channels. That's all for this video. Hit like, share, or comment down below.